Next example is 137. The network PQRS is made as under. The PQ has a battery of 4 volt and negligible resistance with the positive terminal connected to point P. QR has a resistance of 60 ohm and PS has a battery of 5 volt and negligible resistance with the positive terminal connected to point P. RS has a resistance of 200 ohm. If a milliammeter is connected between the point PR and the resistance of this portion is 20 ohm, then calculate the reading of the milliammeter. Here the purpose of milliammeter is to measure the current which is flowing through this portion, that is in the branch PR of the circuit. As it is clear from the circuit diagram that current which is flowing through the branch PR is I1. So we have to find out the value of I1. Clear? So in this example we have to find out the value of I1. Let I current is flowing in the branch QP and I1 current is flowing in the branch PR. Clear? So the point P will act as a junction point क्योंकि P पॉइंट पे हमारे पास यहाँ से करंट आई आ रहा है और यहाँ से करंट I1 जा रहा है. Then according to Kirchhoff's first law or the junction rule, the algebraic sum of currents at the junction point is 0. So यहाँ पे टोटल जो करंट आ रहा है दैट इज I एंड I1 है. I1 towards the junction जा रहा है और I1 away from the junction जा रहा है. Then according to sign convention, I current is flowing towards the junction, so it takes positive sign, and I1 is flowing away from the junction, so it takes negative sign. So here it is the current I minus I1 which is flowing through point P, and the same current is passing through this branch SR. Clear? Similarly, the I minus I1 current which is reaching at point R, I minus I1 करंट रीच कर रहा है और यहाँ से भी एक करंट आ रहा है दैट इज I1. ठीक है. सो R एक्ट एज ए जंक्शन पॉइंट. सो द सम ऑफ द करंट एट द जंक्शन पॉइंट इज I माइनस I1 प्लस I1, क्योंकि दोनों टुवर्ड्स द जंक्शन जा रहे तो पॉजिटिव साइन आएगा. ठीक है. इसके आगे भी पॉजिटिव साइन आएगा. I minus I1 के आगे भी पॉजिटिव और I1 के भी पॉजिटिव. So when we solve this we get I. So that's why I current is flowing through the branch RQ of this circuit. Now applying Kirchhoff's second law to the loop PRQP. Since the current I1 is flowing through the branch PR and the resistance of this branch is 20 ohm, so the product I1 into 20 takes positive sign because the direction of current which is flowing in this branch is in the clockwise direction, and the direction of traversal for this loop is also taken in the clockwise direction. ठीक है. सो करंट की और डायरेक्शन और ट्रेवर्सल की डायरेक्शन सेम है. सो इसीलिए द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ I1 इंटू रेजिस्टेंस टेक्स पॉजिटिव साइन. नाउ ये जो करंट इस ब्रांच में से पास कर रहा है दैट इज I, ये अगेन हमारे पास क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा है. ठीक है. एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ट्रेवर्सल इज ऑल्सो क्लॉकवाइज, सो द प्रोडक्ट I इंटू 60 टेक द पॉजिटिव साइन. नाउ इक्वल टू EMF. नाउ दिस लूप contains only one cell whose EMF is 4 volt. ठीक है. The direction of traversal is going from negative to the positive terminal of the cell, and according to the sign convention the EMF takes positive sign, so that's why here it is positive 4. So 20 I1 plus 60 I is equal to 4. Take this equation number 1. Now for the loop PSRP. Now for this loop PSRP, the current which is flowing through this branch is I minus I1, and the resistance of this branch is 200 ohm. Since this current I minus I1 is also going in the clockwise direction, and the direction of traversal is also clockwise in this loop. So here the product I minus I1 into 200 takes positive sign. Now this current I1 is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction for this loop. इस लूप के अगर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये करंट ऐसे जा रहा है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज और डायरेक्शन ऑफ ट्राइवर्सल इज इन दिस. क्लियर? तो दोनों की डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट होगी. सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ I1 into 20 टेक्स negative sign. So here it is negative sign is equal to EMF. The direction of traversal is going from positive to the negative terminal of this cell. So the EMF takes negative sign. So here it is negative sign. Take this question number 2. After solving question number 2, we get 200I minus 220I1 is equal to minus 5. So it can also be written as 5 into 40I minus 5 into 44I1 is equal to minus 5. Take 5 common from the left hand side of this equation. We get 5 within bracket 40I minus 44I1 is equal to minus 5. So this 5 is cancelled out with this 5. So we get 40I minus 44I1 is equal to minus 1. So 44I1 plus 40I is equal to minus 1. Take this equation number 3. So from equation number 1 and 3, 20I1 plus 60I is equal to 4. From equation number 3, minus 44I1 plus 40I is equal to minus 1. Multiply equation number 1 with 2 and multiplying equation number 3 with 3. So we get 40I1 plus 120I is equal to 8. And when we multiply equation number 3 with 3, we get minus 132I1 plus 120I is equal to minus 3. So take this 4 and take this 5. Subtracting equation number 5 from 4, we get 172I1 is equal to 11. So the value of I1 is 11.172, which is equal to 0.064 ampere. So this is the current which is flowing through the branch PR of this circuit. Clear? So this is the current which is measured by the milliammeter. So that current is I1, which is equal to 0.064 ampere.